Welcome to SalesFlower's educational webinar series. My name's Kyle. I'm the social media marketing manager here at SalesFlower.com, and I'm going to be going over our new business database. After this webinar, you should have a full understanding of how to navigate a search in our new business database. Before we begin, SalesFlower.com is based in Omaha, Nebraska. We are one of 3 top data providers in the US. We compile all the data ourselves to ensure you're getting the most up-to-date data available. So we're going to go ahead and begin. Once you log into SalesFlower, you'll be brought to your main homepage. And our new business database is located right here where it says 30,000 new businesses per week. I'm going to go ahead and click Start Search to get into that. Click it again. There we go. All right, now at the top of the screen, we do have a disclaimer with our new business database. Says this database is compiled from state and federal licensing files. Accuracy and timeliness is beyond our control and is not guaranteed. I just wanted to go over this, and this is here because our information for this particular database comes from state and federal licensing sources. This means that we aren't the ones that generate the data for the new businesses, so the accuracy isn't something we can control that much. That being said, most of the files are up to date and typically will not run into a problem with that. Once we do have the new business's info, our research team calls for updated information when it moves out of the new business database and into the general business database. So basically, this one is for those who want to get to get to the freshly opened businesses before your competition. Since the information we have is so new, again, accuracy can sometimes fall, but it's definitely on a rare occasion. So once you do open it up, you do see the basic search filters. We've got geography, time frame of life event. That's how early the business has opened. Oh, John, I just saw your message about you not being able to hear. Let's see if we can figure that out. Again, we're going to have to, if you can hear me, chime in. Just going to do a double test on that. And I will continue though. So we got the time frame of life event, phone options, and miscellaneous. So just going to do a basic search here and search by city. We're going to do Los Angeles. All right, so already you see we have 11,000 new businesses in the Los Angeles area. And do next selection, time frame of life event. So this is how recent the file has gotten to us. So we can go anywhere from 1 week ago all the way to a year ago. Just to demonstrate this time, I'm going to go 8 weeks, so 2 months. So any business that's opened up in the past 2 months. And we got 82. And next selection, if you're going to do like a phone campaign, calling them, then you can select records with phone numbers here. That doesn't change the lead selection at all, which is good. And when it comes to miscellaneous, we have 100% deliverable and 80% deliverable. Now with 100% deliverability, it means that it will get to the correct location and apartment number or suite number, and it has the 9-digit zip code. 80% deliverable, that means that we have the location address, but there might be no suite or apartment number on it, or we only have the first 5 digits of the zip code, not the last 4. Some smaller cities also only have zip codes with 5 digits because they don't need the zip 9 categories. But with Los Angeles, it most definitely does. So we can see, and that drops it down to 2. So we're going to do 100% deliverable. And again, this is only if you're doing a direct mail campaign. So we can actually leave that blank. We're going to do view sales leads now. And here is our list of new businesses that have opened up in the past 2 months in Los Angeles. So you can go through these, see which ones that you do want to gear your marketing towards. And you click on one, you get the address and a phone number. The file date is on October 22nd of this year. You can also add notes, follow-ups, set follow-up appointments with this, and view it in our CRM. And that's pretty much everything when it comes to the new business database. So thank you so much for attending. Hope you found this webinar helpful. For any additional information, feel free to give our customer service sales team a call. For SalesFlower, that number is 855-575-0101. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. And you can also visit our website, salesflower.com, to live chat.